In this video, you'll learn how to exit maintenance mode on your Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold. Now, exiting maintenance mode is fairly simple. Just navigate to the settings app on your phone and then simply scroll and select the option Device Care. Next, look for maintenance mode and tap on it, and then simply tap on exit. Confirm that you wish to exit by continuing with the restart, and then you'll be prompted to enter in your current PIN, password, or pattern. If you've forgotten it, you will be given a hint if you had previously set it up so that you can go ahead and confirm that. Once you've done that, simply wait for your trifold to finish the restart. And once it's been successfully restarted, you can now go ahead and unlock your device, and you can see you've successfully exited maintenance mode. So you can see even all your other apps have been restored. Any customizations that you have made have also been successfully restored. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.